Good day, viewers. I remember myself again. Otemu Ogeneyerowo. Teaching on YouTube. I encourage you who have not subscribed yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Maths Success, irrespective of the class and the country you are viewing me from. Now, I have just dealt with how can calculate area of a triangle with trigonometric ratio. Now, I want to talk about how to calculate area of a parallelogram using trigonometry what? Ratio. If you look at this question now, it's a parallelogram because this side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. So I can take anyone, this is my base, this is my height. So area of a parallelogram is base times height sine theta. Base times height sine what? Theta. So I can use my base and use my height. What's the base there? 11 cm times 17 cm times sine 120 degree. Okay, now I can equally write like this because if you look at the first the quadrant, here's the first quadrant, here's the second quadrant, here's the third quadrant, here's the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, where sine 124, sine is positive. Sine is positive. So if sine there is positive, I want to take the equivalent. This is when you want to use calculator. If you want to use a four-figure table, is equal to 11 cm times 17 cm times sine 180 minus 120 degree. Now, here is 11 cm times 17 cm times sine 180 minus 120 give us sine 60. So sine 60 degree is equivalent to sine 120 degrees. So sine 60 degree, what does it give us? Now, here is now 11 cm times 17 cm times 0.8660. So when you multiply 11 times 17 times 0.8660, it gives us what? 161.942. So let us approximate to 4 significant figures or 1 decimal place, which is 161.9, because we cannot approximate 4 centimeter square. So that is number 1. I want to do another example based on that topic. Look at the other example here. Example number 2. We have to calculate the area of this shape below. It's a parallelogram. Take note. I'm still working with a parallelogram. There's A, B, C, let me call it D. Now, here is 10.5 centimeter. Here is 15.6 centimeter. And this angle is 52 degree. Okay, let me use 52 degree. Now, we look at the same formula. We say base times height times 60. Or I can change it again. I said, here is my, okay, let me use base times height sine theta degree. Now, I can take anyone as my base, anyone as my height, which is now 10.5, look at it, 10.5 cm times 15.5 cm, 15.6 cm times sine, what's the angle? 52 degree. Look at it again. 10.5 cm times 15.6 cm sine 52 degrees. So here is now 10.5 cm times 15.6 cm times sine 52. What will give to us? 0.7880. 0.7880. So when you multiply 10.5 cm 10.5 cm times 15.6 cm times 0.7880 will give us 100. Okay, let's do it again. 10.5 cm times 15.6 cm times 0.7880 give us 129.0744. So by approximation, give us 129.1 centimeter square, because you have to approximate to 120 to 4 significant figures and to one decimal place and to 4 significant word figure. That is all about the math. God bless you. Okay.